Question is, why is it the bridge when falling not up but going down? London Bridge is falling down. Why is it not falling up? Falling up. Why?
Because it cannot fly lagi.
It cannot.
Mahulog lala sa water. Kung ma-wind,
If there's a wind, then it can fly.
no, ma-fly na siya sa water. Tapos ma-fly na siya sa sky.
Sky?
Oh. Ay, dili sa water, ma-fly sa sky.
Ang blocks sa bridge.
Dili.
Na, London Bridge is falling down, falling down. What if I say falling up, falling up?
Because that is your words. You're so wrong. Then I am correct.
Really?
Yeah. London Bridge is falling down, falling down. Ikaw ba sunod sa ako?
Sige.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my dear lady. Very good. Anak, dili anak. London Bridge is falling up, falling up, falling up.
Why not falling up?
Because dili man na siya fly.
It fell down because of the gravity.
Yeah, of the gravity.
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 What is gravity?
Like that.
It's cavity.